everyone. Welcome to Book Club Preview. I'm Michael, and today we're looking at Lab Girl, Roots and Leaves, Chapter 9. And this chapter is pretty short. Hope Jaren talks about leaf, stems, and roots. Every plant has a leaf, has a stem, and has roots. And they're all these different kind of plants are competing for light and water. Light raising high, water going down. And she talks about trees and wood, and how wood is actually one of the best factors to help trees win this battle for light and water. If you think about like a rose or a bush or a flower, they grow, but a tree is growing much higher and can even block out the light of some of those little plants. And the roots get much bigger and deeper. And the reason for that is because of this hard, flexible material called wood. She talks about tree limbs. Trees have many limbs that break off. And when it breaks off, it kind of grows and heals in a way. Heals that tree limb, that broken spot. So after several years, you can't even see what that broken spot is on the tree. She talks about a monkey pod tree in Hawaii, in some special spot that's really huge and has a huge canopy, and it looks like a perfect tree, just up and then leaves and limbs everywhere. But actually that trunk has probably had many dozens of limbs break off, but it's kind of healed and looks perfect now to our eyes. And that I think that's pretty much the chapter. It's very short. I'm not sure what the point of it was, but thanks. Here's some vocabulary. Bales. Bales is like a group or a bundle. Confers is to maybe ask some advice or to talk about something. And that leads us to our discussion question, which is, what is your favorite age marker? Hope Jaren, she talks about looking at rings in a tree. And the rings can be the year that mark the tree's year. But the space and everything that's going on in between those rings, we don't fully understand yet. But I just thought about those rings going round and round. They mark an age for the tree. For humans, we have a lot of different age markers. Birthday parties, or men traditions, girl traditions, adult traditions, things like that. Things in our cultures and environments that mark age. Just to give you an example, in America, when you turn 16, oftentimes 16-year-olds go and get their driver's license. That's kind of a marker of the beginning of adulthood. Oh, you're going to go to this place, you're going to take the test and get your power and freedom to drive a car. That's one example, but there are many different cultural ones, and certainly there are birthdays, and you could even think of maybe your favorite birthday party, right? Something like that. Of course, please make your own discussion question. That is all the time that we have for today, but thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Book Club Preview. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, if you have any questions about the video today, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. If you had any other vocabulary words that you wanted to know what they meant, let me know. And also, if you're interested in maybe joining one of these book clubs, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.